Going up.
Alright everyone, so today we're at the Courtyard Plaza here in Oviedo, Florida, and we've got Otis Series 1 elevator. This one was found originally by Elevators with Owen, I believe. So let's go. This is an Otis Series 1. With a hot glued call station. That's not great, or whatever that is on the call station. And the fire key in there. Okay, red Series 1. There's a certificate. There's a phone. Epic motor. Indicators burnt out. Leveling is not great. The interlock's up there. That is interesting. That is very interesting. I've never seen an interlock like that. So usually this button would be call cancel, but it's actually called reset. On these, I guess, older Series 1s. There's the lantern, and a ginormous amount of spider webs up there. Look at that. There's a spider up there. Cab view. Looks very 80s. Like, let's get a look at the call station. One more ride. So this thing is okay. And we'll actually end it on 2. Capacity 2,000 pounds. And we're gonna end it up here, actually. We'll end it on 1. And that's it.